Good morning, people. And we are connected again today. A very good morning and welcome back to this channel of Modern Mirabai. We have been discussing for the last few days how is the divorce recovery counseling different for men and for women. This is a series of videos which I am conducting to tell you guys how is a divorce different for a man, the pains that he goes through from that of a woman, what she goes through. We initially discussed the loss of identity, which was different for a man and different for a woman. We then discussed the custody of the child. What impact does it have on men and women? Then we discussed health as a concern and men taking it casually. How open are they to be talking to strangers while women are much more comfortable to discuss their pain and anxiety and what impact it has on their health. While all of this was what we discussed in the past couple of videos, today I'm telling you one more aspect, one more reason why and how the divorce recovery differs for both men and women. Well, it is seen that men, after their breakup and divorce, they rush into a new relationship. And this happens with all of them. That's how we are meant. Let's not be ashamed about it. And there's no shaming here. It's just a fact sharing that we are doing. We also remember the fact that men do not grieve properly. They bottle up their emotions. They have pent up feelings inside, and they find it really difficult to share it with a stranger, even if it's a healer, if it's a coach or a mentor or any other stranger or a marriage counselor. Men find it difficult to open up their feelings with strangers who are trying to recover their marriage. With that backdrop, now coming and discussing, we are saying here that men, after their breakup, have the tendency of rushing into a new relationship much faster. Because they have not grieved properly, because there is a lot of stress and anxiety and mental patterns inside already, this makes it the probability of him having similar experiences, carrying that same pain with him into the new relationship is much higher. What happens because of it is, today if I am talking to you and I wear a pink colored lens, the world around me, I start seeing pink, isn't it? That's exactly what it happens. When you're looking at the world through the lens of your pain and the experiences that you have gone through, you probably end up deriving meaning out of it which fits your past experience and the explanation for it. Because of this, the second relationship that he has gone into also starts facing similar concerns. And again, the law of attraction, the more you fear, the more you get the fear. You start manifesting into your second relationship the same level of insecurity, the same level of anxiety, and the same level of discomfort. Why? It's not because of the other partner. It's because you are carrying it inside your heart from the first relationship break. आपने बकेट को खाली ही नहीं किया अगर, तो आप उसमें साफ नया पानी कैसे भर सकते हो? And a lot of us end up believing that the fault is in the partner, so I'll just change the partner. So they keep hopping from one relationship to second to third to fourth, not realizing that the only common factor in all the relationships is you. If you are seeing similar patterns in your relationship, if you are seeing similar patterns in your life, in any area. Relationship is one part. Just remember that आप एक सूत्रधार हो अपने कहानी के. You are the only person who is weaving together all the experiences. So there is something in you. That is where self-discovery comes in. If you start discovering what is the problem in me and identifying if these are the patterns which are happening in my life, I should better sort it out. That is where the change begins. Coming back to the topic itself, we are saying men enter relationships much faster without grieving and removing the pain of the first broken marriage, and that is why they see repeated patterns. They are more susceptible to a broken relationship once again. On the contrary, the women are much more emotionally stronger. Yes, they get into a depressive state. They have an emotional peak and low much higher than that of men, but they bounce back much faster. What happens is when they are in their own state of low, they examine their emotions, and this time they take time to heal themselves, to talk it out, to understand what has gone wrong with her marriage before she decides to enter into another relationship. This is where she gets time to grieve, because the fear of entering a relationship is much higher this time, and if she has a child of the first marriage, the fears are even higher. So we work on the fears of the woman there, of what holds her back from getting into another relationship. While for a man, we need to work on their belief systems that getting into second marriage is not a relief from the first painful broken marriage. The identities are very different. So, and for a man, yes, let me highlight this aspect as well. A lot of men get into a second marriage, a second relationship, only to get the custody of the child which is involved out of the first marriage. Especially if it's a girl child, he will not get the custody because he is a single male parent. He has to be getting married again before the court can allow the custody of a girl child. And that is where we complicate the matters of marriage, which is sanctity. We are meant to come into a marriage for the very purpose of coming together. Two whole people coming together. If you say the person is my better half, you complete me in some sense, you're giving a signal to your subconscious that you are incomplete within, right? If two half apples come together, they cannot complete the apple. They cannot become one apple. But if you think you are complete by yourself, your partner is complete by themselves, then you guys can actually live a beautiful life together, complementing each other rather than completing each other. There is a lot of difference. And this mindset is what we build and inculcate through our set of exercises that happens. So thank you so much. I think this is what I wanted to cover, how relationships are different for women, how do women look at relationships and how do men look at relationships. I even know men who say, आज हो जाने दो, ख़त्म ये सब, कल मैं दोबारा दूसरी शादी कर लूँगा. They're in a hurry to get married once again, so much that they do not realize that the emotions behind it and the pain that you are going through deep down needs healing. You can put 2 layers of paint, you can dig a nail in a table and then put 2, 3, 5, 10 layers of paint over it. But the nail inside is still there. You have to remove the coating of the paint, the beautiful paint that is visible, and then with the peeler you have to pull that nail out. It will be painful to pull that nail out and difficult as well, but once that nail is pulled out, trust me, that is when the healing will really begin. With that analogy, I leave you today. Thank you so much. It's wonderful to keep coming back to you. I'll come back to you tomorrow once again. Till then, stay safe, keep yourself safe. God bless you.